Assalamu alaikum. Today the lecture I am going to give is of SST class 6 unit number 4 world population. So basically what is population? Population is the number of people living in a geographical territory is called population. World population distribution is population distribution means the pattern of spread of population over any geographical area. What is density of the world's population? The density of world population is the number of people living in a unit area, example, or that is a square kilometer or a square kilometer by area. What is density? The next topic is the factors producing low population densities. Following factors tend to produce low population densities, that is extreme climate, which is cold, hot, wet or dry, extreme relief, which is too high or too steep, extreme remoteness, the places that are difficult to reach in fertile land. Factors producing high population densities are following: moderate climate, fertile farming land, many small farms able to support a large population, mineral resources, mines produce jobs and provide raw materials for industry, low lands with gentle slopes or flat ground, and good water supply. What are the difference between developed and less developed countries? That are natural resources, birth rates, death rates. Growth of world's population. Growth of world population depends on the less developed and developed nations. Push and pull factors. Push and pull factors are those factors which either forcefully push someone into migration or attract them. A push factor is a forceful factor and a factor which relates to the country the person is migrating from and is generally a problem which results in people wanting to migrate. A pull factor is a factor concerning the country a person migrates to. It generally is a good factor that attracts people to a certain place. Now, what are the push factors? Poor medical care, not enough jobs, a few working opportunities, low living standard, political fear, not free to practice Islam, natural disasters, volcanoes, earthquakes, storms, etc. What are the pull factors? Changes of getting a better job, better living standards, recreation, better education facilities, better medical facilities, and security. Problems of high population growth. Now, what problems do we face when the population growth is increasing day by day? There are a large number of people in the young age group, which is a highly dependent group. This group needs to be fed, clothed, housed, and provided with educational facilities. There are a small number of people in the middle age group, which is the group that has to support the young and the adult group, as the burden increases on this group. There is a great pressure on the people living in villages who have to produce enough food to feed the growing population. People start moving to the cities in search of better jobs and living opportunities. It causes problems in areas where these people migrate. Distribution of population in provinces of Pakistan. Now, how the population of Pakistan is distributed? In Sindh province, there occupies 1.77% of total area of Pakistan, while the population is to 23.3%. The province of Punjab shares only 25.7% of Pakistan's area, but holds the bulk of population, that is 56.38% of Pakistan's population. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the smaller in area, covering about 9.36% of Pakistan's area. However, it supports 13.58% of population of Pakistan. Balochistan. Balochistan, due to the deserted climate and rough and barren landforms, it covers 43.61% land areas of Pakistan, while its population is 4.99%. Density of population in Pakistan. Population clearly A population density is a yardstick to determine the man-land ratio. So that affects structure of Pakistan, age structure, sex structure, growth of Pakistan's population. Now, the growth of Pakistan population table is in the year 1951 it was 1.8, in 1961 it was 2.4, in 1972 it was 3.7, 1981 3.1, 1998 2.6, 2004 it was 1.9, and in 2007 it was 1.8. Now let's come towards the exercise. Fill in the blanks. High population density areas in the world are located between 20 N, 20 degree N and dash degree N latitude, that is 60. Bangladesh has approximately dash million people today, 1 million people today. Pakistan is the sixth most populous nation of the world. In 2007, population density of Pakistan was dash persons per square kilometer. Now that was enough for the today's lecture. I hope you have got the concept of world's population, its division, and what are the factors that affect the population. Thank you so much.